Hello, this is for assignment number 6 we are meeting. Now, this is an assignment of railway and yard. I don't know, many of you have not seen yard, so I have put in some photographs of the yard. Yard is such an area wherein a lot of railways are parked for maintenance. Okay, you must have seen such kind of yards when you travel from Pune to any any station for that matter. Solapur, Pune to Mumbai, Pune to Nagpur, anywhere in between you will find that such areas do occur in the railway travel. Okay, so it goes like this. A yard is a unit where trains undergo the cleaning and other technical maintenance. This is just the information you have to keep in mind. This might be useful for identifying classes or might not be useful for identifying the classes. Okay. A yard is empty at the end of the day. Okay, this is another information. Otherwise, what is it that is there in the yard? One train. What is given in the bracket? It is the train number. One train arrives in the yard. Means what? Initially there were 0 trains. Now there is 1 train. Then one more train arrives in the yard. Again given by the number. Like this, 5 trains arrive in the yard. One number is this, the other number is this, third number is this, fourth number is this, and fifth number is this. Now, one train goes out from the yard. Then, one more train goes out from the yard. You can even check whether a train with this number is present in the yard or not. So, display its status. Display its status means whether it is in the yard or it is not in the yard. Right? Display its status means display the train status. Display all the trains present in the yard at any point of time. In short, what is to be conveyed using this assignment is that the arrival of the train is possible at any hour of the day. At the same time, the departure of the train is possible at any hour of the day, right? So actually the purpose of this particular assignment is you should be able to use the array list or linked list as the data structure. And you know, linked list is a ready-made data structure in Java. You have certain methods which are there which you can use, and then using those methods you have to check whether you can add the trains into the yard, you can remove the trains from the yard or not. At any point of time, can you get the count of the trains which are present in the yard or not? For that purpose this assignment is given. So that is it. Now you will find that in this description the information about the attribute, like it was there for the earlier assignment, in the form of there are certain products and then those products you need to deal with. Then there are some aggregates, that is there are some containers which contain the products. There are some atoms which are there in the bill. There are some atoms which are there in the order. That was the statement, or those were the statements in the earlier case. Now over here the statements are little different, and using those statements you should be in a position to identify the classes which are there in this particular description. In general, you have to identify the nouns, you have to identify the verbs, and then you have to draw the class diagram. Fine. I would say yard is a collection of trains where the collection elements may vary, if I put it this way, and the collection is of linked list type or the collection is of array list type. So if this is the case, what all classes do you identify, what all methods do you identify, all that you need to mention over here. Fine. Okay, So nouns, as a representation I would say yard, then train, then train number, what you can do with the yard, you can add trains in yard, you can remove train from yard and whatnot. Okay, you can get the count of the train from yard, right? So you should be in a position to do all this. Okay, so what all classes will be there over here? You have to identify classes, then you have to write the code for the classes, and then you have to write the output. Especially for this particular assignment, I am going to give you, or rather I am giving you very less amount of inputs, but I guess that is okay because up till now you have had lot of inputs for has a relationship. So this is okay for not having much of the inputs, right? Still you should be able to do it. If not, I am there. We will all resolve it, right? Okay. Thank you.